Good day. I am Mr. General Tudlas, and today I would like to demonstrate to you how to utilize electronic multimedia in facilitating training. But before anything else, I would like to introduce these equipments. First, we have the laptop together with its charger for power. And we need also this extension cord in case our outlet is far, and then we need also another extension cord. And we have the projector together with its power cord and VGA connector. And of course, we also have this speaker, portable speaker, and together with microphone. So before we'll operate these equipments, we should have to know its safety precautions. So I will discuss to you the safety precautions before anything else, before doing our training, before doing operating these equipments. And now I would like to discuss and proper handling and safety precautions for our laptop. First, place your computer in a flat, sturdy, and clean surface. Second, avoid eating and drinking beside your computer. Third, properly shut down your computer and make it sure that you have closed all your open applications before shutting down. Number 4, always perform virus scan to your computer and at least once a week. Fifth, always perform disk cleanup to remove unwanted files. Number 6, clean the unit twice a year to remove internal dust. I will also discuss the safety precautions in handling our projector. So first, place our LCD or DLP projector in a sturdy and flat surface. Do not block, so second, do not block the opening or the ventilation of the projector. So this part is an opening and this part is also an opening. So this is for the ventilation. So make sure that nothing will block this way for the ventilation of this projector. Third, do not drop any liquid or any object to your projector. And fourth, do not install projectors near the heat source. And fifth, do not unplug your projector directly after turning it off. Your LCD or DLP projector are equipped with cooling fans that automatically turn off after meeting the projector's cooling temperature. This will prolong the life of the expensive, powerful lamp inside of your projector. 6. Do not look into the projector lens while this lamp is on. The bright light may hurt or damage your eyes. 7. Do not use the lens cap. So this is the lens cap when the projector is in operation, because this lens cap is only intended to be used after the projector is turned off. So while the projector is on and the lamp is turning on, do not use this cap. Okay? And lastly, number 8, if in case your projector has damage, it's better we will go to a service qualified personnel to service or to repair our projector or your projector. So that's it. And now I will introduce to you the parts of the projector. So this is the control panel, status lights, and this is the zoom ring, this is the focus ring, the zoom ring and the focus ring. This is the lens cap. These are the lens, and we have the sensor, and below we have this elevation knob. Okay, and this one at the back This is HDMI port, the power port, VGA port. We have S-video and video ports, and this is monitor out. So you can use this to have another monitor, and this is also audio in. So this projector has speaker inside. And this is the VGA connector and the power cord of our projector. Another tip in handling your portable speaker, make sure before you turn on this equipment, make sure that these control panels, the buttons, are in off positions. And before you will plug in your microphone, make sure that all these buttons are in off position. And now I will demonstrate to you how to install, to make these equipments operational for our training. So let's start with our laptop, and then to our projector, and then to our portable speaker. Let's start. First, grab our extension outlet. So we'll make sure that this extension outlet is properly placed. Next, let's open our laptop, connect, power source, and then our cord for the projector. Okay, so that's it. And then let's start up our laptop. Let's connect our VGA. So this end to our laptop. Let's start our projector. Press, single press. Okay, it's starting up. And then to our portable speaker. Make sure it's all in off position. Let's plug it in. So we need an additional audio connector to connect this portable speaker to our laptop. So we need these audio connectors. So this is 6.5 to 3.5 audio connector. So this is the jack. And then we also have this another audio connector, female, and this is male. So let's connect this one and this another end to our laptop, and this end to the speaker. This will be put in the audio jack, audio port. And now our laptop is starting up to connect to our projector. It's starting up. So let's adjust the focus and the zoom. So we need to elevate more higher. We can also adjust. Okay, so it's now clear. So let's connect our portable speaker with our microphone. So let's try for microphone. Hey, sound check. Testing, mic testing. Okay, so it's operating. So you can start your lesson or training. And then let's try to hear some audio from our laptop. It's operating. Okay, very good. So let's have to open one presentation. Okay, so let's present for our supervised work-based learning. Okay, so that's okay. So after having this slide, so during our trainings we also have a video presentation. So let's try to play a video clip. Turn on. So after the training, after our lecture, our discussions, we need to shut down all our equipments. First, our speaker. Turn off. Then plug it out. Unplug. Next, click twice for our projector, for a power button. Okay, so make sure before we will plug it out, the status lamp will be turned red. So if it is green, it is not good to plug it out directly. It will damage our lamp. Next, we will properly shut down our personal computer or laptop. So it's now in red, so it can be plugged out. The VGA, plug out the VGA. Unplug any wires or any audio connections. Unplug our laptop and unplug from power source. And then we will put these equipments in a cool and dry place. All these equipments properly handled, properly stored to be used for another training. And let's put this in our bag and properly place this in their right places. So that's all, and hope you have all necessary information in using and handling and operating these necessary equipments. This is the multimedia, electronic multimedia equipments in facilitating training. Thank you.